Well, we're right here at the big 4440, and we are going to change air filter, the cab filter, and then the piece of foam in the cab. I'll show you what I mean by that in a little bit. I'm only going to make one video on air filters and cab filters because it's the same thing for this tractor, and the other two cab tractors. So yeah, that'll be halfway. Half of the stuff we do in the spring, and then all we have to do is oil filters, new oil, and then grease the tie rods, 3-point. I believe there's a grease zerk back here for the axles, and then they'll be all ready to rock and roll. Besides duals, which we're actually putting duals on this one today, and we'll pour oil in the tractors at a different time, like I said, when it's warmer, because our oil is stored in the shop, which is not heated, and if you know anything about cold oil, it doesn't pour very fast. So, yeah. So first we're going to start with the air filter. Here's the new one in this box. We'll get the old one out first. There's just a wing nut. That's tight. Thankfully there's pliers in this one. Now these filters are kind of hard to get in and out because they give you no room from the factory. There, I got it now. Now we replace these filters every year. Last year we tried to blow them out, but there was just too much dirt, so we just get new ones every year. Last year, like I said, we tried to save money, but they were too dirty, so we just got new ones. I usually shake the dirt out and then take this cap out. Get the dirt out of there too. Oops. Now this tractor and the big 4450 are the ones that get ran the most. But this tractor runs in the dustiest conditions. We already replaced the filter on there because it was beeping at us. This one round bales, and that's really dusty, so we'll pull the filter out. Oh, there's another wing nut in here. Forgot about it. Hopefully you guys can see. There's the other wing nut. And here's the filter. Now there's an inner filter in there. We don't replace that every year. This thing is loaded with dirt, I guess. Yep. I'll show you the difference once you get this one out of the box. I didn't bring a knife, so gotta rip the tape. There we go. Here's the new one. I mean, that's the difference. 1 year. You know, some guys, grain farmers, I call them 4x4 farmers. 4 weeks in the spring, 4 weeks in the fall. They only run their tractor like 100 hours a year. So their filters don't get this dirty. Yeah, that's what we call them around here, grain farmers, 4x4 farmers. 4 weeks in the spring, 4 weeks in the fall, and the rest of the year they do nothing. It's always a tight squeeze to get up in here. There we go. Whoops, forgot to take this off. They give you a new rubber. rubber washer so the air doesn't get out. Take the old one off, put the new one on. Got that tight. I don't know where this piece of rubber came from, but oh yeah, it came on the outside. We can stick this back up in here. Grab the wing nut and tighten it down. And we're done with the air filter. Now what this is, the excess dirt. So every day you're supposed to squeeze this and get all the dirt out of there, which I think is a pretty good idea. There's one time we didn't do it and it was full of dirt like up to here, which is a bad deal. Put these pliers up here on the steps so we don't forget them. Old one in the box. Then we go up in the cab. This is not a good design in my books, because you take the filter out, the dirt falls on you and it gets all over the cab. So I don't know what Deere was thinking. There we go. These are tight. No more. There we go. This isn't as bad as I thought it would be, but I guess it's just a cab filter. So we'll throw this one out here, then dump the dirt out of this. Now, I believe it went like this. Now it went like this. With the foam on the top. Now here's the hard part, is getting it back up, because there's latches right here. And you got to get these in the right spot. I guess I'm getting better at it, huh? Guess it only took a few years. Or I just got lucky. Probably just luck. Then we got one more piece. Right under here there's a foam piece. And we replace this too while we're at it. I think last year we vacuumed it out. I guess we're missing one screw over here. Here we are. I'd say that's pretty dirty. Okay, now we just put the new piece in. Now this is part, I don't think a lot of people do this part, but I think it's worth it. That does too. Maybe I got it, maybe I didn't. I don't think I did. But we'll hope I did. I think I got them all lined up. Took forever. Like I said, this only has 3 screws. So. I don't round them off, but I got it. Sweet. Well, as you can see, I got them back in. I'll do the same for the other 3 tractors, which might take a while because it's hard to line that up. But guess I'll catch you guys next time. We'll be putting duals on that, so it might be the next video. I don't know. Depends which sequence I put these videos in. So yeah. Just a quick update from the other tractor. It's gone now. If you leave this big panel out and then you put this one back in, you can line it up about 50 times easier. So I guess I learned the hard way, or I forgot from last year. I can't remember. But yeah, I just want to add to that. I'm on the second tractor. This is the little 4450, the one on the night spreader. So yep.